Alright, finally got it. So this little device here plugs into my phone. That plugs into the bottom of the phone. And then I put the micro SD card in here. And now I can get the videos off of the camera here. So my little drive cam is up and running 24/7. Recording minute after minute. So far I've used it for a day and a half and just now downloaded some videos, and it works really well. It records for about 2 freaking straight days on the micro SD card. I forget what size SD card I have, but I'll tell you what, it was only like $10, and I'm getting 2 days of video out of it, which is great. And I just went through about 200 videos to find a video of me hitting a pothole, because I didn't know what else to test with it. So what it does is it records and saves each minute. So for 2 days, like 48 hours worth of video of me just driving or parked at night in case somebody does something to the truck in the front. You know, it's recording everything, so you can go back and look. And each clip is just recorded as 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. So you can, as long as the time's right on the camera, everything's good. You can just go back and find the video you want. So here's a video of me passing on the right and then having no choice but to hit this giant pothole. And I'll tell you what, that is the worst pothole I've hit. It does not, I don't know, it's hard to tell on the phone, but I know when I hit it for real, I thought that right front wheel came off the ground. And it was right next to 2 other big trucks. I think there was like a car hauler or something next to me and another semi. So it was kind of hard. It was construction zone too. Probably should have slowed down. But here, take a look.